How to control or manage your anger? I've been asked this question quite a few times now, both in my personal and professional meetups with people. So let's begin with understanding that anger is completely normal. It's a human emotion. But when it gets out of hands, it can lead to problems in your work life, in your personal life, and the overall quality of your life. Just like other emotions, anger is accompanied by physiological and biological changes. So when you get angry, your heart rate goes up and your blood pressure goes up, as do the levels of your energy hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Now let's talk about what can cause anger. It can be caused by both external and internal events. So you could be angry at a specific person or an event like traffic jam or a cancelled flight. Or you could be angry because of some internal conflicts, like memories from a past traumatic event. So it's important to note what triggers you. There are 3 ways in which we respond to this feeling of anger. It could be expressing, suppressing, or calming. Now, we could express our anger in many ways. It could be physical, verbal. It could also get abusive. So we have to be very careful while expressing our anger because we do not want to make it negative. Suppressing your anger means holding it in. The negative part about suppression is that it could lead to depression, hypertension, or other psychological issues. Now, calming your anger means that you are not only controlling your outward behavior but also your internal responses in a more constructive way. Now let's talk about the ways in which you can calm your anger. First is to recognize your warning signs. So when you're angry, a lot of changes start happening in your body. Your heart rate goes up, you start breathing faster. Notice these changes in your body before they start building up. Second is to use a timeout. So when you're noticing these changes in your body, try not to take any decisions or any steps in this state. Instead, try to focus on your breathing. Take 10 deep and slow breaths. This will help you calm down and think clearly. Third is to exercise regularly. Doing this will release calming chemicals into your body like dopamine and serotonin, which will help you get more control over your emotions. Fourth is to find some quiet time every day. Practice some relaxation exercises like mindfulness or centering, which will help you cope with stress better over the longer period of time. Fifth is to avoid alcohol. Overusing alcohol can lower your inhibitions, which will make it more difficult to think clearly and take better decisions, making you more prone to outbursts. Next is to sit with a friend or a family member and talk about your emotions. When we keep things inside for a longer period of time, frustrations can build up. But also remember that if you are not able to manage your emotions and your feelings on your own, please do not hesitate to visit or talk to a therapist. In this video, I have very briefly discussed about what is anger, why is it caused, and what are the practical ways that we can use to manage our anger better. But if you have any further questions or would like to know more about any of the points that I discussed here, please feel free to write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.